aduna adu hek loi paga thola ka doini so pungam khai lo roni aduga 3:55 ki flight ne nang nam shin doina KLC thola ga vita KLC ko sing bai bina I noticed mine got up there over my door. Are you using the lead lay there? I'm just using. This is your first time? First time messing? First time messing Rex, I'm not getting you. Nungai budu chap ni nungai dulu tu bikin nadi chap ni tali dana mi amma ni alu gadi nungai dana adu juga ni dah tu masih am wai chap chap budu ham right parisu gadi nungai ba dina chap gadi mi titu show gadi tiang bai yeah not flight cancel I missed my flight so I have to reach there before like 1 okay. So we have only 2 flights. Other flights are fully booked. So there was a flight 7:10 and one for like 11:25. So I missed the 7 wala flight and now I'm traveling with this 11:25 wala. Side भी नहीं देता है. Travel safe. Thank you. Please pray for me so that I don't miss my flight. If I miss my flight, no, I have no other means, and I will have to stay back today. Which I really don't want to do. Esther's exam will be over by 1, so I have to pick her up at 1:30. From 1:30 to airport it takes like 1 hour or like sometimes 45 minutes or 30 minutes. It depends on the traffic as well. And then I have to come back today itself 3:55 ka flight. Oh my god. So it's like that. And I'm still very sleepy. Yogi chicken food भी रमाई ने कहा गई बस thank you Raj Lakshmi minandi mapanong dalay ay nasumda ang pikata buga ako yung ako na iba pimi ka tumangay na dam pimi ka din ako tumawar